everyone, Kensurfs here, and it's time for another shave. This is a Sunday afternoon shave, and I'm actually trying out a couple of new items, both of them actually from Global Shave Club. I unboxed this a couple of weeks ago. I think I showed you. This is, I believe it's the Storm, and it's a two-piece razor. Twist the bottom. There we go. Top comes out. It's got a nice looking heavy handle. So I am looking forward. I like these two pieces, the Mercure 34C and 34G. They're all two pieces. And I really get a good shave with them. This handle is a little longer, which I kind of like. And I definitely like the knurling. I will have links to these items in the description of this video. So if you want to check it out, go see Sheldon at Global Shave Club. He also sent me to try out, man, he's really expanding, some Bay Rum shave soap. And it's a puck. That's the ingredient list. So this puck, oh yeah, definitely a nice Bay Rum scent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet this puck, then I'm going to put it into the my shave mug, pressing it in, see? Pressing it in against the bottom. Let it get a good seal, get all that water out of there. And hopefully when I'm whipping it around with the brush, it'll stay put. Let me set this box out of the way. Congratulations to Hello Haas for winning the 17,000 subscriber appreciation giveaway. Congratulations. And I'm looking forward to hearing from him. We did that video a little while ago. All right, from Captain's Choice, Bay Rum. Might as well accompany that soap there. Oh man, some good stuff from the Captain's Choice. The brush I'm going to be using today is from L'Occitane, and it's the Plus Soft. I used the in the basic shave kit, the starter shave kit. It was the what was it? It was the Plus Soft. This is the Plisson. This is the original. This is the synthetic. The original. You pay a little bit more from this. It's from France. There we go. Got it in the crystal skull, soaking. Oh, and for the blade today, I am going to be using, oh, where'd I put the Gillette Super Thin. You can get these are from South America and south of the border. They're a little hard to get. I haven't seen them online yet, but I do appreciate it. I've got some friends who travel down there, and they got me set up with a pretty good little supply. So I should have enough to last about a year. You can usually get 10 shaves out of a blade, but since I'm trying so many different razors and so many different blades, I usually just use the blade once, which is kind of a waste. But again, it's not a shaving every day for fun or hobby. It's actually a YouTube channel, so I've got to mix it up a little bit. All right, let's open this up. Put the blade onto the head there. Drop the head in. Tighten it up, let the threads grab. We have overhang. I like that. Some people don't. I like to be able to hang onto the blade from the edges. Never grab a blade from the sharp side. It appears to line up pretty good. So we're loaded and ready to go with that. All right. I think I might use, no, I won't use some pre-shave today. I was going to use some pre-shave. I'm going to be growing my goatee out. I go to Disneyland every year with my daughter. Well, I've actually got an annual pass, so I go quite a few times, but she always takes me for my birthday. And in all the photos that you've probably seen in the past, I usually have a goatee going. So I'm thinking about growing out the goatee, and then I can shave it off with one of the new razors that will be coming in an upcoming shave video. So I will keep the goatee going for a while. All right. Let's wet the face here. I just watched Paul H. Film's video, and he was using some Floyd. Really like that Floyd. That was a good video. I think he just released it today. It's a Sunday video. All right, I'm gonna get this water out of here. Stirring it up in this cup. I've got two of these. One of them I use exclusively as a coffee cup, and the other one I use as my shave bowl. Getting the soap. Kind of hard to see in there. In fact, I'm going to get a little more water in there. There we go. There's the lather monster that I like to see. You guys can spend 30 minutes whipping up that whipped cream there if you want, but I will be happy with my 40 seconds or whatever I did there. All right. No movies this week. I stayed home with the family. Although I went to an arcade. Well, actually, you guys won't believe this. If you're into arcades and old pinball machines. There's a pinball. It's a showroom. They sell their machines, but you can come in and play them. It's like 75 cents or 50 cents for the machines. Check this out. That Thursday, I gotta say I was there for a few hours. I was especially having fun playing that Stranger Things pinball machine that just came out from Stern. That was a lot of fun. All right, that is one heavy razor. Ooh, she feels a little bit aggressive. I like that. Just right to take it all off in one pass. Here's where I gotta remember. I'm growing the goatee. Do not shave it off. We'll get into some sort of shape in the weeks to come. Very easy to hold. Yeah, this is giving a close shave. You can barely hear the feedback. There's the channel mascot. It's Sunday, so you shouldn't be barking at any mail deliveries unless it's from Amazon. Wow, I'm just letting the weight of this razor do the work. Again, I'll dial this in. Man, I could be done. There's no reason for a second pass. Nice, Sheldon. I hope that fat boy you're going to be coming out with, I hope it does half as good as this, because this is awesome. Excellent. Oh, so anyway, I stayed in, and like I said, I watched videos with the family, and I got to see that Tom Hanks movie, Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood, the Mr. Rogers. And since you guys are always saying, Ken's like the Mr. Rogers of the shaving channel, which I take as a compliment, not an insult. I might have to this Halloween go for as Mr. Rogers. Dress up. That could be fun. I got to get that red sweater going. All right. There's the feedback. Yeah, nice balance to this. The soap's working very, very well, very slick. I got to go to the, oh, got me right there. All right, I knew I felt aggression. I didn't get me in the usual spot. I got to go to my dermatologist this week, so they're probably going to freeze a bunch of junk off my face. So I'm hoping I'll be able to do a shave video this week. All right. But that's on Thursday, I think. All right. Let's do some alum block out. Gonna rinse it, shake it off, stop those weepers. Really don't need to put it on everywhere else, but all right, we'll tighten up the skin. All right, that was the Razor Rock alum block. Didn't drop it. Rinse that off with cold water. New face cloth. All right, here comes the fun stuff. Bay Rum. Nice burn. Nice burn. All right. I look kind of presentable again. I've been working in the garden all day, as I said. It's been good weather. We're about to get a couple of good storms coming in on Tuesday. So I've got all the tomatoes, everything all out, all new flowers for the wife. Just been out there having fun. And that rain's going to really help. My garden's going to love that rain. All right, everybody. Thank you very much for watching, and happy weekend. It's almost done. Good luck on Monday tomorrow, but it's my short week. I've got my Friday off, so I only have to do 4 days this week. I'm on the 980 schedule, so I really enjoy that. So, and next Monday I get to go to Disneyland. And guess what? I'm going to bring you with me. So I'm going to be trying out that new ride, hopefully, if we can get on it. In Star Wars land, it opened up, but man, you got to make your reservation as soon as you get there. So if I get on that, I'll be bringing all of you along with it. All right, we'll talk to you soon, and have a great weekend.